know that over 8.5 billion Google searches happen every single day? 8.5 billion Google searches. And guess what? Every business out there wants to show up in those results. But most small business owners, they don't have the time or skill to write SEO optimized content for their businesses. That's where you come in. And the best part is here. You don't need a degree. You don't need many years of experience or even a big budget. Just you need your smartphone or your laptop and some AI tools like Google and ChatGPT. Let me show you how to start offering SEO and content writing services with AI and make real money even as a beginner. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. Never, God forbid. To you who is a subscriber, I love you so much. Just get a seat as you listen. I want you to put these things in practice. And to my beautiful and handsome engagers, I love you so much. Your engagement has made me reach where I am. Without wasting time, we want this video to really be short and precise. But before, please like this video, comment, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it to other people such that they can know what is taking place here. Let me tell you, do you know what is this opportunity about? Really, this one is a very big opportunity. Let's break it down with you all together. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Do you know what it means? This is it. Search Engine Optimization helps websites show up higher on Google. And content writing, it's simply writing blogs like what I do on Facebook, what you do, web pages or product description that people love to read and Google loves to rank. Now in 2025, AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini make this process 10 times faster and easier, even if you're not a professional in writing. Let's see what you need to know or the tools you need for you to be a pro or for you also to find yourself you can benefit from this. All you need are free or low-cost tools like Google Trends. How do you get Google Trends? What is the benefit? Benefit of Google Trends is to discover what people are searching for. What you need to do, go to Google, put Google Trends, and just check what people are searching for in your locality or nationwide or worldwide. Then the second thing you need is Ubersuggest or keywords everywhere. When we talk of Ubersuggest, we mean key searchable words, keywords everywhere, to find them profitable in your area. Then what you need also, you need ChatGPT or Google Gemini. What do they help you this? They help you to write content that is natural, optimized, and even engaging. Let's see. How do you think you can use this? Now let's go in a step-by-step experience. I'm going to be explaining for you briefly. If you want to know, to elaborate for you in a very big way, you can register for masterclass. But this one is going to help you. Here is how you can get started even with zero experience. Pick a niche. A niche is something that may be a salon, like a local business, salon, real estate, or clinics, whatever. These niches are based by like business, like salon. Step 2. What you do, you use Google Trends to find out hot topics about what people are searching for in that niche that you've picked. For example, if you've picked to write things about real estates, yes, now go to Google Trends and ask Google Trends what people are searching for about real estates. Then the step 3, ask ChatGPT to write an SEO blog or product description based on those keywords. Then the step 4, you can trick it a little. It's optional. You can rewrite it for yourself, and boom, you get content ready to sell. The 5th step, you offer service on platforms. I've been telling you platforms are free of charge, and these platforms you can go and sign up, put your profile, hype it a bit, and let it be at least be professional. Platforms like Facebook, Upwork, Fiverr, you guys, you go directly to small business owners if you want in their areas. Now let me talk to you. There is this guy that does for me thumbnails. He had to meet me direct, as in he had to send me an email. In my DM, most people who are doing description are sending me emails direct. But for you, you used to think that a platform like Facebook, people are just there to vibe. No, there are people who are there even to look for you if you can do this, if you can offer service like this one. After this, now you start real earnings. I know this is what you've been waiting for. You're like, well, how do we gain? I'll be giving you some examples. Let's talk about real numbers now. People are charging $50, $200 per article for an SEO content. You give me a content that I know if I put it on Facebook right now on my blog, I'm going to get $100 by end of the month. I'll buy it. So imagine writing 3 to 5 articles a week. That's up to $800 per month or more, just from a part-time work that you're doing, just seated at the comfort of your home with your smartphone, with free internet or bought bundles. Instead of taking those bundles to TikTok, to what, to see other things, do this. Even people are scaling up to a full-blown content agencies with this. We can do it, yes. Now let's see in another part. How can we do this? Who can do this, and how can we do it really? You guys, let me tell you, I'm working, but I do a lot of things. Multi streams of income is needed. Are you a stay-at-home mom, a parent, a father? You can do this. You're a student, but with a phone. You can do this. You never write before. You are an illiterate. You can do this. AI has gotten your back. The only thing you need is consistency. You need a little learning, because everybody can learn online. You don't need to go and pay somebody. Don't pay me before you decide, before you see you have a step. Don't pay anybody. First, know I can do this. 70% I'm determined to do this. Because I've seen people who are, whenever they see you, they get hyped when you're talking. They say, we can do it. 2-3 days, they give up. They even not ask you, how do I do this? The only thing you need is consistent and a little learning. AI will do 70% and 30% you'll do yourself. AI is doing the heavy lifting for you, you just brush. Now, it's in 2025. If you're still waiting to figure out how to make money online, this is your sign. Start today. Use AI plus Google to help your business to grow and get paid while doing it. Don't scroll past this, you people, before you give it a thumbs up. And what you do, I want you to start today. The internet pays those who take action. It does not pay those people who are watching it. No. Please, I would love you to share this video. You can even comment in the comment section, SEO money. That one will make me know that you have watched the full video, and I'll send you a free beginner guide to get started. Let me know what you think, or if you want to adopt this, you can even do it anywhere. You can do it on TikTok, you can do it on other platforms that you have. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye-bye.